Looking for a travel trailer that feels comfortable, practical, and doesn't drain your wallet? That's exactly what Venture RV is aiming for with its Sienna lineup, and the 2026 Sienna S A241 VRD really leans into that promise. The Sienna series has already built a solid reputation as one of Venture RV's best-selling lines, and for 2026, it's getting a nice refresh. We're talking updated interiors, smarter layouts, and a few thoughtful upgrades that make everyday use just a bit easier. The goal here is simple: give you that cozy, home-like feel while keeping things affordable. Now let's talk about the SA241 VRD itself. This is a 30-foot travel trailer with a single slide-out, built on a tandem axle, and designed with families in mind. It comfortably sleeps up to 4 people and even includes separate entry doors, which is a big plus when it comes to convenience and privacy. Step inside and you'll notice the updated interior right away. The design sticks to clean, modern tones like whites, grays, and neutrals, giving the whole space a bright and open feel. The layout places the bedroom up front and a dinette area in the rear, which helps create a sense of separation without making the trailer feel cramped. One of the standout features is that rear dinette. It's more than just a place to eat. With seating for 4, a large table, and plenty of storage, it doubles as a space for board games, work, or hobbies. And when the day winds down, it easily converts into a second bed. In the middle of the trailer, you'll find the main living area. The slide-out houses a pair of Thomas Paine recliners that come with heat and massage, along with USB ports, power outlets, and cup holders. Across from that is the entertainment center, complete with a swivel TV, an electric fireplace that also provides heat, and extra counter space that can even act as a kitchen extension. Speaking of the kitchen, it's compact but very functional. The corner layout makes good use of space, and you get everything you need: a 3-burner cooktop, oven, microwave, deep sink, and plenty of storage. There's even a portable Bluetooth speaker built in, which is a nice little bonus. The bathroom sits between the living area and the bedroom and uses a split design. You get a sink on one side and a toilet with a step-up shower on the other. Pocket doors on both ends let you close it off for privacy, which is especially useful when traveling with others. Up front, the bedroom keeps things simple and familiar. There's a queen bed, dual wardrobes, overhead storage, and even a private exterior entrance. You'll also find small cubbies that are perfect for things like books, devices, or even a CPAP machine. As for features, the SA241 VRD comes well equipped. You get power stabilizer jacks, a tankless water heater, a strong furnace, a large awning for outdoor shade, and a pass-through storage compartment up front. The exterior siding is also designed to reduce heat transfer, helping keep the interior more comfortable. In terms of specs, it has a gross vehicle weight rating of 8,800 pounds and a solid cargo capacity, so you've got room to bring along what you need for longer trips. Price-wise, while there's no official MSRP listed, most dealers have it sitting somewhere in the $30,000 to $40,000 range, which makes it a pretty attractive option for families looking to get into RV life without overspending. All in all, the 2026 Sienna SA241 VRD strikes a nice balance. It's comfortable, practical, and thoughtfully designed for real-world use, whether you're heading out for weekend getaways or longer adventures on the road.